Hi friends, this is Pujita and welcome to my YouTube channel Job Setup by Pujita. Friends, if you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on bell icon for more latest updates which are posted by me. And I hope all are doing good, friends. So, and my small suggestion, please watch the entire video, don't skip the video. Okay, so in this video I am going to share you about one of the best opportunity and the job seekers who are looking for non-technical jobs. Okay, so in this video I am going to share you about one of the best application, that is about JioSaavn. So they are looking for production specialists. So all these details I am going to share you through overview. First I am going to share you the eligible criteria and the job role and the salary what they will be providing and the work location. So all these details I am going to share you in this video. Okay, stay tuned, friends. So to apply for the job also I am going to share you how to apply and what are the details you need to mention for this job. So to check the job availability or job vacancy, you need to open JioSaavn official website. So I will be sharing you. So if you can see on the screen, this is the JioSaavn official website. After clicking on option like careers, you will be redirected to this page. So if you can see on the screen, the option availability for you vacancy is creator product support. So they are hiring for only experienced people. So the work location will be in Mumbai and it's a full-time job and it's into products industry. Okay, so the first they have mentioned about their JioSaavn, how it has been established, and to brief you about the JioSaavn, so it has been in 2018 JioSaavn and Jio Music, they have merged the both two and they have started JioSaavn. Okay, it's one of the best leading music streaming service. Okay, so if you can see here the job responsibilities and roles I will be sharing you. So you will be a team player to provide high quality and efficient customer service and support musicians and podcasters who are using JioSaavn creator platforms. Okay, so your perfect candidate will be a role model of service delivery for JioSaavn and will serve as the primary interface with them. Okay, so your responsibilities, what you need to do exactly, you will be responsible for being attentive and responding professionally to every creator query encountered through emails and social media. Okay, so this is the major work responsibilities. If you find suitable to you, you can apply for this job. And the next responsibility for you is verifying authenticity of the registered artist through social media and driving the access requests for JioSaavn creator platforms. Okay, and respond to creator feedback and queries in a timely, accurate and professional manner. So you need to escalate the issues to your reporting manager and other JioSaavn teams when encountered and follow up to get a turnaround time. Means that for that you need to say this stat time to your creator and update the issue. Okay, you need to troubleshoot minor technical errors while playing encountered while listening to the music and asking relevant questions and probing about the issues. Okay, so as well maintaining a professional working relationship with creators and your colleagues, and document must ask good questions, queries to consolidate and update FAQs of your creator platforms. So this is the major responsibility you need to do. Okay, you need to have good communication skills and you need to complete you should be a graduate from any institution, certified institution. Okay, and excellent English language, excellent communication skills including ability to communicate clearly. Okay, you should be communicate very clearly, you should be very professional both verbally and written. You should have good communication skill and at a level suitable for a variety of audiences. Okay, and next you should have good listening skills. Okay, and positivity you should have, and you should be team oriented and you should be very enthusiastic to approve. Okay, and you should be self-motivated with ethics. Okay, you should be friendly, polite and tactful nature, and you need to handle diverse customers and situations with patience. You need to cope with multiple projects and deadlines, and you should work effectively. Both as individual you need to work, as well as with the team also you need to be working good. Okay, you should experience with the internet and high tech industry. Okay, so what the benefits JioSaavn would be giving while you are working with the company? Okay, so you will be working only 5 days, that is Monday to Friday, and Saturday Sunday will be week off for you, and you will be getting group mediclaim, and Fridays will be fun Friday. Okay, and you will be flexible vacation policies will be there for you, and free healthy and unhealthy lunches and snacks will be provided for you, and team outings also. So these are the good benefits you will be getting from JioSaavn. So coming to the next, that is into salary part. So the salary they will be giving is for you 4 lakhs per annum, based upon your experience and your skills they will be providing. Okay, so this is an immediate joining. If you find suitable for you, can apply for this. So to apply for the position, I'll be sharing you the link in the description. You can go ahead and apply for this position. So to fill this application, you need to fill just the basic details. If you can see, for your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, and your current city, your address. Okay, your address, city, state. Okay, and you can attach your resume and click on submit application. After clicking on submit application, your application will be submitted successfully. If the HR of the company finds your profile suitable, they will be giving a call back to you and scheduling the interview. Okay, so this is the procedure what is to apply for this job. So if you find suitable, or if you find any of your friends who is looking for a job, so you can refer to them. So thanks for watching my video. All the best, friends.